No shit. So my truck was maroon before, guys, and I did paint right over it. And look.
Perfect.
What up, YouTube? Your boy Dota out here with another video, and this is gonna be a part 2 of my last video. I just didn't want to make that video too long, you know, so I'm gonna make the bed part of me unwrapping it into a separate video, which is this one. And yeah, we're just gonna start peeling it off, guys, see how easy it is to peel, and then we'll be talking about what I'm gonna do to it, because I do have to sand the bed down and do a couple fiberglass work on it. I probably won't do any of that today though, because I don't have any of the tools on me. I do gotta go buy a new sander, and then gotta buy all the fiberglass and Bondo, and so on and so on. But we're just peel it off, see how hard it is to peel, or how easy it is to peel. Should be pretty easy. But we're gonna start off by taking off all these plastics and the tail lights, so that way I can peel around that stuff, and you know, so on and so on. So these plastics are pretty easy to remove. You just gotta grab it from down here and pull up. That's pretty much it. You gotta remember not to lose that one, because I did lose one before on this same side. I had taken it off to do something and I forgot to put it back on. I guess I took off and I lost it. So remember to put that back on. But yeah, let's get to removing the tail light next. It's just one screw actually, because it only has one. I think we'll just let that hang there until we get to that area. But yeah, so pretty much the way you start peeling this dip off is you start off from a section, you start peeling it, and then you just pull from there. As you can tell, there's a little area right here that's already peeling, so I'm just gonna start peeling from there. See how far that takes me. No shit. So my truck was maroon before, guys, and I did paint right over it. And look. That's fucking crazy. What the fuck? Oh, that's cool. Alright, we're just gonna keep on peeling. I should probably start getting a trash bag for all this before it flies all over to the street and I have to chase down for it later. Alright guys, got my trash bag so I can put all the little pieces of wrap in here. So yeah guys, if you guys ever Plastidip anything, especially your rims, and you try to peel it off and it doesn't come off in one piece, you obviously didn't do something right, and that's your fault. That's why I hate when people give Plastidip a bad rep, because it's not a bad product, it's just dumb people. This is the process so far, just in what, 5-10 minutes, not even. Get in there.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Alright, so there are certain spots, like right here inside the gas tank, and over here inside the tail light, and right there, and right there. The dip was pretty thin, but luckily, Plastidip or dipyourcar.com, where I bought all my wrap, sells this dip dissolver. Like a spray that melts the dip back to a liquid form, and then you're able just to wash it off. So right now we're gonna fill up this spray bottle, spray down the parts where I want the dip to melt, and then we'll just wash it off with this hose and see if it comes off, which it should. That's what it's for. But yeah, just a little trick for you guys. If you guys ever have that problem where you dip anything and it doesn't peel off, buy yourself some dip dissolver, guys. You gotta point it at me. Okay, come over here.
Dad.
Okay, so we're just gonna spray this area right here. You let it sit for 3 minutes, then you spray it one more time.
We need the vlog. Oh, so funny. Someone to me.
You wait 2 to 3 minutes, come back, then you wait another 3 minutes, and then you just wash it off. So now we just wait.
Dad. Ow. Bye.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, final product after washing it down. Some elbow grease. As you can tell. Pretty much all gone now. Tell them your name. Subscribe to BellTech.
Subscribe on my dad's channel. He was thumbs up. I see you next time. Bye.
So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.